Ali found the perfect apartment. Old, full of character, and cheap. He ignored the landlord's strange warning. Always say God's name when you enter. He thought it was just an old man's superstition. The first week was peaceful. Then the whispers started. Faint, like the wind, but the windows were always shut. He'd find objects slightly moved from where he left them. A book on the floor, a cup on the wrong shelf. He blamed his own forgetfulness. One night, he woke up, paralyzed by a feeling of dread. A shadow flickered in the corner of his eye. A tall, slender figure that vanished when he turned his head. His heart hammered against his ribs. This wasn't forgetfulness. The air in the apartment grew heavy and cold. He started having nightmares of a beautiful woman with sad eyes who would watch him from the foot of his bed, never speaking, who's watching. He felt a strange attraction and a deep fear at the same time. He was always tired, drained of energy. Remembering the landlord's words, a chill ran down his spine. He sought out the local imam and confessed everything. The imam listened patiently. He explained that the jinn, beings made of smokeless fire, share our world. Some are drawn to humans. Ali's carelessness, his failure to seek God's protection, had left a door open. The imam taught him the verses of protection, the Ayat al-Kursi, and told him to recite it daily, to sanctify his home with prayer. Ali returned to the apartment, his fear replaced by a fragile faith. He cleaned his home, played the Quran, and prayed. The presence faded, the nightmares stopped, and the coldness left. He never saw the figure again, but he never forgot. He learned that the world is more than what we can see, and that faith is our strongest shield.